to the Honey Train, Northeast Ohio's hottest dance music video show, starting the explosive Honey Dancers, featuring the best hip-hop and R&B independent artists from the Midwest, with host Dennis Cash. Get your VIP pass on the Honey Train, where we transport you to the stars, with special guest interviews and blazing music videos. So come one, come all, it's time to get on board the Honey Train.
All right. Welcome to the Honey Train. I'm your host, Dennis Cash. We got a great show coming at you this week. But before we get started, I want to introduce you to one of the Honey Dancers. Come on down with me, baby. All right. This week, we're going to bring in a special new dancer. She goes by the name of Teresa Juicy Mara. How you doing, baby? Give them just a little bit of sample of what we got in store for them this week. All right. Now listen up. We got great talent coming this week. We got a group coming in by the name of Deep 3. They're going to drop something with you, and I think they got a special guest artist with them. But for you guys out there, listen up. We got something that we call, let me tell you how it goes. You bring the toast, and we supply the jam. We got something we call the Honey Jam line. And you know what, ladies and gentlemen? It ain't strawberry flavor. It's not grape flavor. It's honey flavor. So don't y'all go nowhere. We got a great show coming at you this week. Stay tuned. This is the Honey Train. Be right back at you.
The Honey Train is brought to you by Star Makers, where we make everyone a star. If you need music, video production, or any entertainment services, give us a call at 216-518-1740. If you think you got what it takes to be on the Honey Train, we are looking for you. Ladies, the Honey Train is searching for the finest honeys to be featured weekly on the train. If you got the looks, the dance, the moves, and the style, give us a call. And for all independent artists, the Midwest Talent Search is on. If you're tired of being overlooked by radio and can't find nowhere to get your music heard, then the Honey Train Artist Showcase is looking for you. Now you can be heard and premiere in the form of a music video just like the professionals. Just give us a call at 216-518-1740. Executive Hits Entertainment presents Cleveland's Greatest R&B Legends Volume 2, featuring Jeffrey Charles, the Deltones, KT Silk and the Big Man, Clockwork, Errol Gay and the Imaginations, the Cats, 7 Miles High, Pepper, Cash, and more. This is a collection of awesome music of artists played on Cleveland radio by legendary DJs from the land. The Greatest R&B Legends of Cleveland Volume 2 CD is available now on Spotify, iTunes, and Google Play. Get yours today.
Stop playing around with all the clowns and the wanksters. Good girls gotta get down with the gangsters. Go ahead, girl, put some back and some neck up on it, while I stand up in the background and check up on it.
Ooh, boy, you're looking like you like what you see. Won't you come over and check up on it? I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. Watch it while he check up on it. Tip it, pop it, talk it, stop and check on me tonight. You got it, flown it, boy, I know you want it. While I turn around, you watch me check up on it. You watching me shake it, I see it in your face. You can't take it, it's blazing. You watch me in amazement. You can look at it as long as you don't grab it. If you don't go bragging, I'ma let you have it. You think that I'm teasing, but I ain't got no reason. I'm sure that I can please you, but first I gotta read you. Ooh, boy, you're looking like you like what you see. Won't you come over and check up on it? I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. Watch it while he check up on it. Tip it, pop it, talk it, stop and check on me tonight. Ooh, boy, you're looking like you like what you see. Won't you come over and check up on it? I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. Watch it while he check up on it. Tip it, pop it, talk it, stop and check on me tonight. Tell you wanna taste it, but I'm gonna make you chase it. Got to be patient. I like mine impatient. More patient, your take might get you in more places. You can't be abrasive. Have to know the pace. If I let you get up on it, you gotta make a promise that you gon' put it on me like no one's put it on me. Don't bore me, just show me. I'm in talk, but don't please. I can be a tease, but I really wanna please you. Ooh, boy, you're looking like you like what you see. Won't you come over and check up on it? I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let them check up on it. Watch it while he check up on it. Tip it, pop it, talk it, stop and check on me tonight. Ooh, boy, you're looking like you like what you see. Won't you come over and check up
dance, but to feel y'all bump and grind, it won't hurt if we gon' try it one time. They all hot, but let me see, this one's mine. It's Slim Thugger and DC out of H-Time.
Watch it while he check up on it. Pop it, drop it, take a check on me tonight. Looking like you like what you see. Won't you come over and check up on it? I'ma let you work up on it. Ladies, let 'em check up on it. Watch it while he check up on it. Pop it, drop it, stop and check on me tonight. Looking like you like having such a good time.
Coming, new EP, Gringo Gang, The Language, Space Dad, Sean Ham, J-Mo, featuring the new single, Risk, produced by Zaytoven.
Quarter up, I had to make a call. Pull the phone up, they think I'm playing ball.
Also, Keep Me Going,
Rocket poking out.
Fly America QC artist, Mark Battle.
Hustling.
That's right, check out the new EP, Gringo Gang, The Language, coming October 26th, get to it.
Capital Structure Entertainment presents DJ Ryan Wolf new single Cook. That's right, DJ Ryan Wolf new single Cook featuring Ray Jr., Rudabang, and Ty Bree. DJ Ryan Wolf new single Cook available now on Spotify, iTunes, and Google Play. The new album Friends of the Program drops in May. This message is Big Heifer approved.
All right, welcome back. This is DC, and we're going to get this showcase entertainment on. I got the young men straight out of the School of Arts. What we got here?
We got your boys Deep 3. I'm your boy Percy, Smooth, D-Night, Deontay, and Jonte, J Nasty.
All right, you guys got something special you want to do for the ladies today?
And today we're going to take y'all back to our old school. You know what I'm saying? We're going to hit y'all with Knocking the Boots. We added a little something, man, our own little flavor. So we hope y'all enjoy it.
Okay, before we get into that, what's the company you guys working with? I know you guys got a new project coming out. Could you give us just a little bit of sneak preview of what you guys coming out?
We work with Executive Hits Productions.
Okay.
With Deep 3, we're coming out with a new CD, Total Shock. Hope it puts you in total shock, but it has plenty of cuts on there, a little slow, a little fast, a little bit for everybody. Hope y'all enjoy it. Look out for it, Deep 3.
All right, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, would you please put your hands together for Deep 3?
Yo, D3, let's take this back to the old school.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. It's your boys, Deep 3. How you doing? You about to make it real nasty for y'all. It's your boy, Smooth, D-Night, J Nasty about to set it off. So we about to do it for y'all right now. You hear what they saying? We about to break it down. Can I get that one more time? One more time, yeah. Break it down, break it down, break it down. Yeah. Now last night we talked back. We made good love. Listen to some more, yeah, all night long. Now I want that old thing back. Make these moments once again come back. Now won't you, give it to me now, baby. Yeah. Good loving, body rockin', knockin' boots all night long. Making love till we tired till the break of dawn. But oh, come on, turn the lights down and let me jump on it. Cause when we do just me and you, it's gonna be so right, so right. Give me that good love. Somebody rockin', knockin' love. Yeah. Give me that sweet love. Somebody rockin', knockin' love. I'm giving you everything. That good love. Somebody rockin', knockin' love. Months of pleasure. Give me that sweet love. Somebody rockin', knockin' love.
Big Q, Schoolhouse, baby, you know what it is. You wanna roll with me, baby, let me know. Got a little hand in the bag control. Tell me how you want it, baby, fast or slow. And if you got stress, baby, let it go. Cause I'll be a pro, I got what you need. Invite you to a night full of ecstasy. Me, you, on you and you on me. Make love all night till we roll the trees, cause gotta be a real player's touch. The way I put it down, you can't get enough. Got your girl in the whip doing 50 stuff. I'm a hideaway girl, you know what's up. Backseat in my Jeep, let me rub your butt. 24s on the truck, we be sitting up. Lemon juice and Patron, we be sipping up. I can make your body shiver till we finish up, cause we moving slow. Hey, don't worry about the baby, let the juices flow. It feels incredible. The way I put it down, only you would know. Hey, and tell me, girl, how you liking that? The way you moan and you scratch my back, I can tell you like the way that I'm piping that. And your ass so fat, you the type of girl that want on my team. Body kinda thick, baby, you a queen. I got a thing for you, baby girl, I'm a fiend. And I think you need to roll with me. Let me knock them boots off them jeans. Yeah, Big Q.
Give me that good love. Somebody rockin' your love.
Oh,
yeah. Give me that sweet love.
Okay.
Somebody rockin' your love. I'm giving you everything. That good love.
Yeah. Okay.
Somebody rockin' your love.
We knocking the boots.
Months of pleasure. Give me that sweet love. Somebody rockin' your love. Oh yeah. Come on, I want your good touch, lady. You're here with me, my baby, driving me crazy. So won't you come on and rock my body, baby. Come on and rock my body, baby. Yeah. Somebody rock your love. I'm feeling, I don't feel like chilling tonight. You got my body feeling, and I know that I'm on your mind. I think you're so contagious. Oh yeah, you got my hormones raging. So won't you come over tonight, and for sure gonna make your body feel just right. I can go deep when you want me. I can go deep if you let me. I can go deep how you want me to. I can go deep, yes I can, yeah. I can go deep when you want me. Go deep. I can go deep if you let me. I can go deep how you want me to. I can go deep, yeah, yeah. I had these visions of me and you inside my head, doing what we want to do in my bed. So come on over and get between the sheets. It's just you and me, so baby, tell me to. So won't you come on over here, baby? Don't you have no fear. While I'm testing your lips, freaking your body, rubbing your hips, licking your ears. I wanna take you on a fantasy and show you all the ways I can go deep. Level 1, I'll freak your body, girl, cause I'm the best. I'll lick you up and down till you drippin'. Level 3, I'll spread your legs real wide, cause I'm about to get inside. And girl, are you ready for this ride? I can go deep when you want me. It's just you and me. I can go deep if you let me. If you want me to. I can go deep how you want me to. I can go deep. Oh yeah, yeah. I can go deep when you want me. I'll give it to you, baby. I can go deep if you let me. Take a ride to ecstasy. I can go deep how you want me to. I can go I really need to go. You know what I want. You know what I want. And I got what you need. And I got what you need. So bring your body to me. And let me be your baby. I'll leave you satisfied, you see.
remix.
Deeper, baby. We call this one the Boom Boom remix. Deep 3, take it there.
It's the miracle man with a miracle beat. Get on the dance floor, mommy, start moving your feet. But when we hit the sheets, baby, I'm bound to go deep. As long as you can stay, all that noise you can keep. Girl, stop clenching your feet. Oh, did I buckle your knees? She like, baby, no deeper. She begging me, please. I poked her in the lungs and mommy, she barely can breathe. Give me a little, try to get it in the morning like it was a griddle, but she tried to play me like a fiddle. Yeah, baby.
Go deep, when you want me. I can go deep if you let me. I can go deep, how you want me to. I can go deep. Oh yeah, oh yeah. I can go deep. I really wanna do some crazy things to you, girl. I can go deep, level 3. I can go deep, how you want me. Just give me my eyes. I can go deep.
Yeah, baby. Holla at your boy. Young Pretty in the building.
Protect yourself from mannequinism. Volunteer, vote, stay informed. It's easy to get involved.
Ladies, it's here, Deep 3's new CD, Total Shock, featuring a smash hit, Go Deep, Teddy Bear, Total Shock, and One Kiss. This is a CD for keeps, starring Deontay, Jonte, and Percy. That's right. For more information on Deep 3, call 216-518-1740. This CD is also available on cdbaby.com and bestbuy.com. Don't miss the new CD from Deep 3, Total Shock. Available now.
Don't walk. Don't walk. Walk. Do not enter. Hot dogs. Definitely like hot dogs. Motorcycle club. Everything must go. Ghostly ghouls. Don't look at that, Teddy. Body piercing. Ouch.
Everyday moments can become teaching moments because learning starts long before school does. Give your child the start they need at bornlearning.org.
If you think you got what it takes to be on the Honey Train, we are looking for you. Ladies, the Honey Train is searching for the finest honeys to be featured weekly on the train. If you got the looks, the dance, the moves, and the style, give us a call. And for all independent artists, the Midwest Talent Search is on. If you're tired of being overlooked by radio and can't find nowhere to get your music heard, then the Honey Train Artist Showcase is looking for you. Now you can be heard and premiere in the form of a music video just like the professionals. Just give us a call at 216-518-1740. All right, we're back. This is DC, and I got my man sitting in between the honey. I got my man Messi on the set. What's up, baby?
Life. How you doing? Enjoying the Honey Train?
Having a great time here. Check it out. We got a lot of good things coming up. DJ Lou, get ready to drop something hot on us. And remember, you are watching the Honey Train, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, kick it down with DJ Lou.
Just your boy Scampo. My hands on my head, let my backbone slip. Let them turn to the front, and I let my shoulders get up to the swing. What we doing? Let my backbone slip. What we doing? Yo, Marcus, I like this here.
When we stepped on the scene, all eyes on us. We the boys that be known for that pelvic thrust. All the chicks go wild from the throat and style. We ain't really gotta move, we just give them a smile. But that's just us, we move real smooth. We got this new dance, and it ain't hard to do. When we step through the crowd, then move out the way. We the Deep 3 boys with the Cleveland sway. Sway with it.
All you need is a beat like this with the same two step with a little bit of twist. She used to lean with the rock with it, snap with it, pop with it. But when I hear it's time for the what's up? Deep 3, what you say? Put that dance right through, we call it the swag. Do the swag, 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 to the back. What's up? Deep 3, what you say? Put that dance right through, we call it the swag. Do the swag, 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 to the back.
D3, y'all know who we be. We be your boys, D-Night, Young, Pretty, and J Nasty. We came here to wreck the show, and for sure, I'm like T.I. and Young Joe. We make them show, just lean, make it lean, with it, rock with it. All my sexy ladies back it up, then pop with it. We the hottest group that you know in town. We them boys from Cleveland, and yeah, it's going down, yeah.
All you need is a beat like this, the same two-step with a little bit of twist. She used to lean with it, rock with it, snap with it, pop with it.
But when I yell, it's time for the what's up? D3, what you say? Put that dance right through, we call it the swag. Do the swag, 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 to the back. What's up? D3, what you say? Put that dance right through, we call it the swag. Do the swag, 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 to the back. I put my hand on my hip, let my backbone slip, then I turn to the front, then I let my shoulders dip. I do the swag to the back, front to the back. I do the swag to the back, front to the back. I put my hands on my hip, let my backbone slip, then I turn to the front, then I let my shoulders dip. I do the
Hey yo, D3, this your boy's Gap-On, baby. It's still Mo Thugs,
Yeah, we want all the hot chick report to the dance floor. D3 gon' show you this way, so girls, let's go. It's a new dance, baby, and it's easy to do. Chicks love it, and we got the keys.
Show me that, girl, gon' 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 show me that, girl, let me show you that.
Up, down, side to side, round and round, screw the ground. To the back, make it clap, round on me, just like that. Shake it, pop, pop, wobble, wobble, drop, drop, split on down, bounce, bounce. Now let me see that booty walk. This is Big Mooch, girl, and I need to see something. After hours at the Omens, yeah, girl, now show me something. Big hips, big thighs, big duka, oh my. Know you see me looking, girl, slide that ass over to my side. Now show me what you're working with, show me what you're twerking with, show me how you ride a stick. Now don't stop, girl, get it, turn around and show the world. Back it up, you go, girl. I'll buy that for $1. Matter of fact, it's 20, girl.
Girl, gon' show me that, 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 girl, gon' show me that.
Hey, shout it, tell me what it do. I wanna hump you and your girl too. Girls too. Now, I ain't tryna have a boo. You do me and you do you. Ayy, ayy, that's what we scream in the cut. Ayy, ayy, that's what she scream when I'm in them cuts. No, I ain't down for the lovey-dovey. All I'm tryna get is for it. Okay, like little scrappy, little poppin', rock, do the lappy-tappy. On rubber, then I kidnapped it. Savage nickname the cornbread and cabbage.
Girl, gon' show me that, 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 girl, gon' show me that.
Go ahead and show me that. Show me how it's done. Take it off. I need 101. Shimmy while you working it. Straight street working it. Butt naked booty clapping with the perfectness. Love how you doing that. The kitty cat is purring. Smoking in my vision blurring. Drinking in my words slurring. Fantasizing that you with no clothes on behind the clothes. But nobody knows what goes on. Might as well gonna show me that. I wonder what it looks like. I don't have a clue how it feel and what it do. Can I touch it, tease it, tip?
All right, welcome back. This is DC, your host, and you are watching the Honey Train. We're going to do something special here. We're going to have a special performance by my girl, Emily. How you doing, Emily?
Good.
All right, why don't you tell the guys just a little bit about yourself before we get started here and where you're from and what's happening with you.
My name is Emily. I'm 17 years old. I'm from Toledo, Ohio, and I'll be singing my single Head Over Heels from my album Kiss and Tell.
Okay. Now, I see you got your dance. Let's introduce and let's start over here with my man here. And you?
I'm Seth.
Seth, I like that name. We're going to swing all the way around here with this man over here.
What's up? My name's Jeff.
All right, Seth and Jeff. All right, I like that. All right, we're going to get started here. Y'all stay tuned. We're going to come back with this great performance. We want you to check this out. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Emily.
Capital Structure Entertainment presents DJ Ryan Wolf new single Cook. That's right, DJ Ryan Wolf new single Cook featuring Ray Jr., Rudabang, and Ty Bree. DJ Ryan Wolf new single Cook available now on Spotify, iTunes, and Google Play. The new album Friends of the Program drops in May. This message is Big Heifer approved.
Executive Hits Entertainment presents Cleveland's Greatest R&B Legends Volume 2, featuring Jeffrey Charles, The Deltones, KT Silk and the Big Man, Clockwork, Errol Gay and the Imaginations, The Cat, Hits, 7 Miles High, Pepper, Cash, and more. This is a collection of awesome music of artists played on Cleveland radio by legendary DJs from the land. The Greatest R&B Legends of Cleveland Volume 2 CD is available now on Spotify, iTunes, and Google Play. Get yours today.
I remember. Lotto, let them know. I remember when they said I wouldn't be none. Now I'm sitting at the top and I don't see ya. Now I'm laid back, chilling with my feet up. Still remember when you said I wouldn't be none. I remember. Yeah. I remember. Yeah. I remember. Oh yes I do. I remember. Oh yes I do. I ain't really have a childhood. Doing this had to grow up fast. Little girl with a grown up bag. Hit the TV and went up from dad. I thank my dad. Lot of cat, gotta pray. I'm too real for this kid to fake away. Block the devil, lead the way. I turned down the deal the very next day. It all happened for a reason. And revenge don't really make you even. This industry will turn you cold. You gotta be prepared for all seasons. Clayco raised me first point south. Went to Kemp, then Rexville, then Lovejoy. You could pull up on me at the BP, not for real. I remember when they said I wouldn't be none. Now I'm sitting at the top and I don't see ya. Now I'm laid back, chilling with my feet up. Still remember when you said I wouldn't be none. I remember. Yeah. I remember. Yeah. I remember. Oh yes I do. I remember. Oh yes I do. Mama told me just to stay down. Now I'm like, look, mama, look. Then let the fame get to my head. I kept my head in them books. It been a whole 4 years since my brother got took, but I can't let him see me sweat. Gotta hold it down for Lil' Brooke. Now I'm way up, but I'm still 10 toes down. I bumped my head a couple times, had to learn to watch the company I keep around. Daddy told me not to mess with no clowns. Got my heart broken, but look at me now. They told my sister I had to spaz out. Came a long way from them promise to now. I remember when they said I wouldn't be none. Now I'm sitting at the top and I don't see ya. Now I'm laid back, chilling with my feet up. Still remember when you said I wouldn't be none. I remember. Yeah. I remember. Yeah. I remember. Oh yes I do. I remember. Oh yes I do. Let 'em know.
Mr. Wrong to find Mr. Right. Can we skip the part where I give away my heart to someone, then they turn it into ice? I wanna put myself out there, but I'm scared, 'cause love don't play fair. Where are you? Can you come here? Come here right now, 'cause I need for you to come and save me from all the bad ones for me. Dodging these bullets now, can you please put on your game? Lately, I've been feeling kinda lonely, wishing that you were coming home me. Lois Lane. Ready to be Lois Lane. And I'm waiting for you. Put on your cape, I need you. Put on your cape, I need you now. Come save me. Put on your cape, I need you. I'm a lovely girl in a cold world. I try not to let it take me under, but it gets hard when you're looking for that lovely guy you ever see. I wonder, I wanna put myself out there, but I'm scared, cause love don't play fair. Emergency, can you come help me right now? Cause I need for you to come and save me from all the bad ones for me. Dodging these bullets now, can you please put on your cape? Lately, I've been feeling kinda lonely, wishing that you would come and hold me. Hold me through the night, I'm ready to be Lois Lane.
Twice, yeah, she work in Magic City. I knew she was a shaker. She grew up out in Shaker. To me, I do her makeup. Hold up, I give her Chanel. I give her that Gucci. That Bentley. But that face a hooked. I'm Jordan. Stove, hot, pans, pots, trippy, whip, drippy, watch. She kinda cute. Fruit. You know. She got the shape.
Hey,
I got the juice.
Hey, I'm working the folk. Checking my line, dodging my. I do the most. Serving the geekers that pay with they nose. Shining for the summer, still doing number, trapping all season when it was cold. Baby mama playing, I just want the band. She don't understand. Oh, you see me from the bleachers, shooting my regular, smoking like Tifa. Look, tweaker, told her get down, to her to a eater. Vesting 4 seasons, yellow gold, Jesus say they getting money, I don't believe it. Plus say need me, made me right on Whitney, told me hold it down, cause he gon' be leaving.
Stove, hot, pans, pots, trippy, whip, drippy, watch. She kinda cute. Fruit. She got the shape. I got the juice.
I got the drink, keep it
up on me, my neck piece will come out the sink. He is a baller, she whipping the pot, he know it's so lame, can't call her. Ice on my manny, ice on my petty, I'm about to run up this Betty. Benny, I take your boot, then I get his loot, then I give him back to you. My waist is itty bitty, my diamonds talk like Wendy. My boom boom pretty, water whip LS for 16. So quit the cat, you not in the trap, He say bust it down, cause I look like a snack and he like
Stove, hot, pants, pot, trippy, whip, drippy, watch, she kinda cute, her fruit, she got the shake, I got the juice.
Coming, new EP, Gringo Gang, The Language, Space Dad, Sean Ham, J-Mo, featuring the new single, Risk, produced by Zaytoven.
Quarter up, I had to make a call. Pull the phone up, they think I'm playing ball.
Also, Keep Me Going,
Rocket poking out.
Fly America QC artist, Mark Battle. That's right, check out the new EP, Gringo Gang, The Language, coming October 26th, get to it.
Protect yourself from mannequinism. Volunteer, vote, stay informed. It's easy to get involved.
Welcome back to the Honey Train. I'm Ariel Dupree. Now it's time for the favorite part of the show. It's the Honey Jam Line. Now this is the part where the beautiful ladies of the Honey Train do what they do best. Let's go, y'all.
The Honey Train is brought to you by Star Makers, where we make everyone a star. If you need music, video production, or any entertainment services, give us a call at 216-518-1740.
All right, we're back on the set. We hope you enjoyed the show this week. The Honey Train got to take off. We got to go to our next stop. But before we go, I want to introduce some people that's playing a main role in this production. We got Q from Anyway Marketing, along with his top assistant, and we also got New Blood Entertainment in the house. Now these guys each week, they bring out different stuff to the show. Of course, we promote different artists. If you hear the music in the back, they got a lot to do with that. And these guys are doing a lot of great things in the city. Fella, is there something you want to say before we get out of here?
Yo, we just want to give a shout out to Shady Records, Koch Entertainment, Atlantic Records, Grand Hustle, Swisher House, Paul Wall, Mike Jones, Webby, and everybody else. CVT. Rap a lot records, man.
Yeah.
So my boy Scarface and Ray Cash, they couldn't be here tonight, but we'll see you at the taping of the video shoot.
That's right.
8th and 9th in Cleveland, Ohio. We represent the city, man. What up?
And none of this would be possible, y'all, without our honey dancers. Would y'all please give it up for the honey dancers? Yeah. Now check this out. We'll be back each and every week. This is Dennis again. This is brought to you by Star Makers in the Way. And of course, we got Schoolhouse coming in. They'll be helping us out. And also, we got New Blood Entertainment. We love y'all. We'll see you next week because it goes down here. The train has got to move on. We love you, baby.
Diplomat.
Delete, clear out trash. Guess who slid all in my DMs on Tuesday?
Who?
Oh my God, Kevin.
Kevin from across the street? Oh, he tried it.
Triple tried it. He always trying. He nasty.
Ain't that him right there? Oh, he is not.
He tried it.
Girl.
All in front the house. All in front the house.
Look at him.
But he take care of them kids.
Turning your phone face down in the crib right now, you tried it. Tried talking to my best friend, she screenshot it. Oh, you tried it. Swiping your homeboy card in the club. Oh, you tried it. Try to scoop me up in your baby mama car. You tried it. You all in the wave, riding my wave, yeah. Get out of my face, today not your day, nah. Think you gonna find something better than me? Go find her. Ooh, and I hope that she co-sign you. Ooh, give me back the time I spent. Oh, I'm so petty, I'm gonna need every cent. Ooh, I must have been out of my mind, yeah. Thought you would've went so wrong, boy, you tried it. Why she calling your name? We sitting at the game. Why you turn your face looking the other way? Tryna wipe me up, but I don't know where you stay. I'm starting to feel like this was a mistake. Cause, bruh, you all in the wave, riding my wave, yeah. Bruh, get out of my face, today not your day, nah. Think you gonna find something better than me? Go find her. Ooh, and I hope that she co-sign you. Ooh, give me back the time I spent. Oh, I'm so petty, I'm gonna need every cent. Ooh, I must have been out of my mind, yeah. Thought you would've went so wrong, boy, you tried it. You tried it. You tried it. Thought you would've went so wrong, boy, you tried it. You tried it. You tried it. Thought you would've went so wrong, boy, you tried it. Baby, you ain't had to front. Nah, all that for nothing. See, baby, you know I really wanted us. Why you had to try my heart, oh, so